Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make your Facebook account completely private. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open your Facebook app, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on privacy shortcuts, and then you need to click on take a privacy checkup. And here you have different options. You simply need to click on the first one, who can see what you share, and here you need to click on continue, and then you need to change privacy to only me. As you can see that once you've done that, you simply need to click on how to keep your account secure, click on continue, and here you need to click allow all security checkups. After that, you need to go how people can find you on Facebook, click on continue. So here you have different options. You can select friends of friends, that is fine, click on next. Then you need to phone number only me, email to only me. Once you done that, you simply need to go back, and your data settings on Facebook, click on continue, click on next, that is okay. Then you need to go back your ad preferences on Facebook, click on continue, next, and here you need to select any according to your choice. Then you need to go back, and once you complete that step, you simply need to click on see more privacy settings. Once you are on that page, who can see the people page and list you follow, click on that and click on only me here. After that, who can see your stories, only me. Who can see your future reels, only me. Who can send you friend requests, so that is friends of friends. So you need to make all settings to only me from public. So this is a process by which you can make your Facebook account completely private. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.